Today I'm going to show you some warm-ups that I do during training. So to start off, we're just going to do some static stretches, and we're going to hold them for about 10 seconds each. And then switch to the other arm. And switch. Alright, now that we've warmed up, we're going to focus on a bit of passing. There are three types that are most common. So you have the chest pass, the bounce pass, and the overhead pass. Normally the ball can travel a lot quicker than we can ourselves, so it's a very important aspect of the game. So we're going to start off with a bounce pass, and you're going to want to make sure that it lands on the chest area of the person you're passing it to. Going to do 5 passes on each. That's 4, 5. Right, so next pass we will be doing is the chest pass, and it is the same concept as the bounce pass, because you want it to go from your chest to the other player's chest. 4, 5. Chest passes are usually quite fast, so they're good for using it to get up and down the court quite quickly. So the final pass we're going to do is the overhead pass. This is quite slow and arcing, and it's used most commonly to get around smaller players. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the next thing we'll be looking at in wheelchair basketball is dribbling with the ball, and it's the same concept as normal basketball, meaning you can't travel, so it is 1 bounce per every 2 pushes. So players do this in a number of ways. The most simple one is basically bouncing the ball and putting it on your lap, and then repeating the process. Yeah, so the next way that players can do it when they've gained a bit of confidence is they can bounce and they can move at the same time, so like so.